A pair of tips. If you remember, a few months back I did a tool review on a company called TOPDON and sent me a battery tester. Well, they just sent me another one. This one hadn't even hit the market yet. As of this video, it's not on Amazon, and I don't even think it's on their website yet, but I will put a link in the description to their website. So check this out. It's the BT600. This is their professional version. I've got one like it from Snap-on. It's about $1,800. This one here is supposed to be exactly like that one, but a lot cheaper in price. So guys, I'm kind of excited. Let's get it opened up. Sweet. Let's see how it works. All right, guys, let's get into it. It's got good length on this cable here. Just plugs in. Positive to positive, negative to negative. And she automatically cuts on. Do a battery test. I guess hit enter. Cold cranking amps, 885. Good Lord. Do enter. It's testing the battery. Battery is good. We could hit enter on that one there, and it prints it out. That's pretty sweet. Do a charging test. Please start the engine. And it cut off. Why'd you cut off on me? Must have been bad connection. So it gives you a wave pattern, and now it's testing it. Increase the speed to 2,500 and hold it for 5 seconds. Press enter to continue. Well, that would explain the longer cord. Increase to 2,500, press enter. Testing in progress. So load is 1396, unload is 1397, ripple is 27, that's good. Enter and print away. All right guys, just a heads up, TOPDON is not paying for this video. They're not sponsoring this video. They just send me their tools to look at. That tool I just looked at, in a comparison to my Snap-on, was right there with it, and I'm sure it's half the cost. But guys, I'll put a link in the description to their website, because like I was saying earlier, at the time of making this video, it's not on Amazon. I didn't even see it on their website, but you can still check it out if you're looking for a good tester. Guys, that is it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Catch you later.